And here we are on July 28th of 94, atop some kind of mountain somewhere overlooking Las Vegas with a very heavy wind. And you talk about a panoramic view. This is unbelievable. That's where she ends, right there. And we're going to zoom in 96 times.
Here, check the blinking lights. The jet's coming in to your left. There's a couple of them up there, see?
Oh yeah, I doubt if I could get a whole jet coming in.
Another one right behind them, a little bit higher to the right.
Can't see it. In fact, there's still clouds out in the sky. Anyway, back to the city. Ray Glasser and Gene McHugh at the end of June of 94. Finishing up my first 2 months here in Las Vegas. And this is a nice view we have of the city and surrounding areas from top of a mountain out in Henderson. And we're east of the city or south, Gene? North?
Southeast of the city.
We're southeast of the city.
See the aircraft coming in, and there's another one taking off.
Yeah, right. Yeah, there's something coming in right there. Now the strip is off to the left, right?
Okay, starting to see the light going straight up. That's
Oh, wait a second, yeah.
That's the Luxor.
Oh, that's a Luxor. Yeah, there it is.
Okay, that group of buildings there, that would be like the MGM. And all
That's
that.
to the right of the Luxor, right?
Right, just to the right. Now a little bit to the right of that, see those blue buildings and stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, that would be like Caesars and
Stardust and all that, the big ones.
There's the Stardust. Can you pinpoint the Stardust from here? Remember
Not
the
in the view.
Stardust?
Yeah, I think I got it. I think I have it in the viewfinder.
It's the red and blue one?
Right. Yeah, I think I got it.
Okay, and you go a little bit, I don't know if you could see that Stupak's tower. It's got lights on it. Okay, see, past the Stardust, and there's a group of buildings right there.
Let's see.
Just to the right of the Stardust.
Yeah, I think I got it there.
There's one building with the red at the top of it.
Can't really make it out that good.
Okay, maybe you can't. I could barely see it here. I know what I'm looking for though.
Yeah.
That's Stupak's tower. Now you swing over a little more to your right.
Oh, I can see Stupak's tower like right in front of me.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Now to the right of that, a little
there
ways
it is.
down.
I got Stupak's tower. Right there.
Okay, so now that's the beginning of the strip. Now,
right.
A little ways to the right of that, there's a group of buildings, and that's downtown.
Let's see now. There it is. Yeah, there's downtown. 96:1 zoom lenses picking it up. You got the focus is so lousy. Real critical focus. That's downtown. So downtown's there, and the strip is over here.
Yeah.
To the left. Isn't that something? Yeah, there's the Luxor. This wind is so hot, folks, you can't imagine.
It's still about 100 degrees out here.
And it's what, about 9:30 at night?
Yeah. Well, Henderson today was hotter than Vegas. They were
Really?
119 out here. So it's still probably 100 degrees.
Wow.
The only bad part about this desert, it does not cool down.
Yeah, it really doesn't, too.
No. You get no relief until fall.
There it is, folks. My new city. At night.
Okay, the next view, I don't think we'll have these white lights in it.
Yeah, that's these over here.
Yeah.
Okay. Or these over here, rather.
See those red towers, the lights on the tower?
Wait a second, let's zoom over there. Okay.
That's the power plants.
Oh, that's the power plant?
Yeah.
Huh. Okay.
Actually, can you step? I don't know if you see where you're going.
Okay, we'll come back from some other place and do some more shooting as we go into the Twilight Zone. Because we're going to surprise her. That's right, folks. We are at Hoover Dam, and we are in Arizona. How about that? See if I can get you on tape here. Nope. Sorry, Gene. This time it's just not enough light.
You want to break the camera anyhow?
Nah, I don't want to do that. Okay, we're going to try to get Hoover Dam on video at night. Here we go.
Traffic is, that's part of the dam. Here's one of the spillways right down there.
Okay, this is Hoover Dam at night, group. Not the greatest shot, but can't see a whole lot. But this is Hoover Dam at night.
Yeah, maybe it looks better on postcards at night.
Thanks a lot. You're probably, we are in Arizona, by the way, as you just saw. Okay, Gene, thank you.
Alrighty.
Where is
Okay, we are rolling back into Vegas, coming from Hoover Dam and the Boulder City area. And according to Gene, we're going to be having a really spectacular view of the city as we approach.
Right up now.
Slow it down a little bit. Lots of bounce here. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, there it is.
Oh my God. From nothing to Las Vegas. Look at that. You got the right hill anyway.
Yeah.
Oof.
I knew what she was talking about when she said it.
Look at that.
Now you got a whole view of the valley.
This is called, I wish I had a panoramic camera. I wish I had a letterbox camera, Carrie. It would really make it neat. You can see the whole thing. Oh, this is great. There's my new city, folks. Very, very flat land out here, in case you can't tell. Very flat. What street are we on, by the way, Jimmy?
This is Boulder Highway.
Still Boulder Highway. Clock you.
Boy, that was weird. Hope there ain't no cops in around. Can't afford a ticket. Can't afford
can?
anything.
Can.
Look
The
at how it
city.
stretches way off to your right.
Yeah. The city, Las Vegas, Nevada.
All the world.
It's going back to the town again.
Maybe you want to put Henderson, go through the downtown of Henderson.
Not necessarily.
Okay.
A lot of 7-Elevens in this town. My God, every corner is a 7-Eleven. Very, very big here.
So when you're outside, you want something cold to drink. That's what you look for.
Yep. We're in Henderson, Nevada, which is right outside of Las Vegas. There's Vegas right in front of us. What a sight. What a sight. Oof. We're going on Boulder Highway in case anybody's interested. As you can see, lots of lights out here. Lots of lights. Some up here on the right.
There's a new one. I haven't seen this
Joker's
before.
Wild.
Yeah. I haven't been down this way in a long time. Maybe it is a new one. It's new to me.
Huh. There's a strip out there. See it from here. It's great. That's pretty. I'm shooting through your tinted windows. I can still get it, Gene.
Alright. long since I went this way. There's another of your infamous 7-Elevens.
Not kidding. They really are all over this town. Ew, wrong button.
Oh,
Damn.
I want to race it.
There we go. Oh no. I just did my mirror image. I didn't mean to do. In the middle, you get the strip. The Stupex Tower.
Okay, you can see that from there. I don't think that's the whole thing lit up, but it's part of it.
Part of it, yeah. That's pretty. Really pretty.
Oh, that is different. You see that long tube going down the center?
Yeah.
I would imagine that's going to light up too. I would imagine.
Probably right.
I thought those colors would be dancing. Driving the strip.
I know.
Cruise the strip.
Cruise the strip with a new camera. That's where I work, Caesar's Palace. Place is so beautiful.
Oh, what are they doing here? Is this the Flamingo?
Yeah, they're tearing up the front of the Flamingo, doing something here.
No kidding. Keeping up with the Joneses, I guess.
Guess so. Yep. So nice though.
Well, that is a blue light at the Imperial.
What's that?
That light is blue over there at the Imperial Palace. That's a blue light. This is colorful. Harrah's. That's the only decent casino in Atlantic City.
Really?
Yeah, one of the only. I think there's about 2 of them. That's one of them.
Huh.
The others are terrible. The whole town's terrible.
Never been there.
Just touch.
We're shooting the people walking the strip at 11 o'clock at night. Look at that throng of people. Right in front of the Mirage. Unbelievable. So many people. We can't figure out why they're all here. Jeez.
You got a few people over on this side too.
Yeah. The green laser light up here that we cannot identify, folks.
Oh no, an unidentified laser.
Don't know where it's coming from.
The Air Force is denying all knowledge.
Yeah. They always do. Traffic on the strip at 11 o'clock at night on a Tuesday. This is traffic on the Las Vegas Strip. It's unreal. You can't get anywhere here. This is the ship over at the Treasure Island.
Yeah, that's
right
the
in the
British
front.
one. That's the British frigate.
That's the British one?
Yeah.
There's Gene. We finally got you.
Oh no.
Got you again.
There's the skull.
Yeah, I can't get it from this angle. This I never saw before. It's a skull carved out of rock. I wonder if the red eyes are coming out on video. Yeah, sure, we're going to move here. We're trying to get to...
Now you can see it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We're trying to get to Mickey D's tonight, folks, for a late night snack.